we have studied the distance formula from that is A and B are 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the coordinates. We have to find out the distance between AB. AB is that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units root over. That is, I have explained in the previous class. So now I want to explain, that is section formula. What do you mean by section? If a line segment A and B whose coordinates are A1, x1, y1 and x2, y2, P is a point which divides a line segment into M1 and M2. Now, we draw perpendicular from A and we draw perpendicular from P, we draw perpendicular from B. Again, perpendicular from A to P, M, N, R, P, M, P, N, and P to P we draw perpendicular from BR. Okay. Now, AB, we name it, that is NR, ABC, that is C and D. Okay. AC is what? AC is equal to, before I start, I'll write, let P be the point, P be the point which divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Therefore, PA by AP by PB is equal to M1 by M2. Now, two triangles BPD and PAC, two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are 90 degree, we have just by construction. Angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because two lines perpendicular to the perpendicular and it is parallel to the x-axis. They are parallel. So the angle, two lines in triangle BPD and triangle PAC, PA is equal to, that is equal to, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why it is so? 90 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. So now, why I have told it is alternate? Because AC is parallel to the x-axis, PD is also parallel to the x-axis. AC is parallel, therefore AC and PD are parallel, so therefore it is alternate. Therefore, triangle BPD is similar to triangle PAC by AA. Therefore, the sides are in the same ratio. That is, sides are in the same ratio. That is, AP by PB what is this side? What will be this side? This will be x minus x1. This will be x minus, that is equal to AC by AP by PD, AC by PD, and is equal to PC by BD by BD. That is implies it is M1 upon M2 is equal to what is AC? AC is X, this is X minus X1, and what is PD? PD is X2 minus X. Yes, and this is, can you tell me what? This is will be, PC is how much? PC is y minus y1, and this is PC is y minus y1 divided by BD. BD is y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 implies from these two, what do I get? From these two I get M1 x1 x2, M1 x2 minus M1 x is equal to M2 x is equal minus M2 x1, implies I bring all x terms together, and the other two terms, that is M1 x2 minus a plus of M2 x1 is equal to M2 x plus M1 x, implies that I write this way, M1 x2 minus plus of M2 x1, M2 x1, this is M2 x1 divided by, if I take x common, that is M1 plus M2 is equal to x, and similarly from these two, from these two yes, that is equal to, similarly y is equal to, that is M1 y2 is equal to M2 y1 is plus M2 y1 and divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to y. So therefore the coordinate of P is, that is the coordinate of P is, that is x comma y is equal to M2 x1 plus M1 x2 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M2, or so on. It is that coordinate of P will be these two, okay. So we can write, find out the coordinate immediately. Is it true? Yes. And now that is, this is called section formula. I think you have to study it very, very seriously. Then we will be doing the solve. sums. Okay. This is y1.